Police don't grab 2 kurukere people wey be say dem dey put their hand for matter wey no clear. That na criminal matter. And these people, so na Timothy and Comfort, this one na Lokoja na im dey take gbab them. The work wey these 2 people dey do na to carry wetin dem dey call disguise. That na carry another cloth wey no be their own put for body. They call themselves pastors. They come dey waka go dey do deliverance. And them the kind place where dem go dey do their wuru thing na to dey steal things from people wey dey do POS. That na point of sales. Na to go dey steal money for their hand. And I know say this kind thing dey easy based on say we Naija people here, we get many matter the one wey we say brekete put for ground wey we dey find solution to. Instead when we find better solution, na where we dey hear deliverance, so where we dey hear we go dey run dey go there. Either e clear or e no clear, we no wan know. So now the person don say na pastor, we go leave everything wey we dey do dey run. I no talk say make we no follow God o, but e dey good say make we dey shine we eye well. No be say anything wey dey hear say gbeg you run just gbeg go there. The one wey dem do wey dey call say e can't break the camel back for oyinbo. Then I say the last one wey dem do na the one be say they can't go grab things from Mariam. The one be say she dey do POS transaction for Cemetery Road, even where that one sef open his shop sef. He get the way it dey for Cemetery Road for Lokoja. They don't do their wuru deliverance for the girl. They don't carry 50,200 come on for the girl body. As the girl open eye, now everywhere clear, now they break everywhere burst. Now this guy say, now she run fast, call police. They run, now they take catch these 2 people. They even they road, they go Abuja. Now they talk saying they don't do them for many places. They don't do them for Ilorin, don't do them for Jigawa. Saying that the work with them they do, they cover face. Even when they say me they collect money where remain for their hand self. Now 43,200 now remain for now. To see say the work where they do say the self no clear. Money no even they pay where hunger don't wire them. Money where they all collect now they don't sharply rush spend for inside the money. The main story where they on top this real life hands today. Now say this country get the way it say day. You where they do POS, where you come out, you leave your shop, you no get church where you they go, or you no get which they even pursue you where they find deliverance. The thing where they happen for this country, he reach me you come they talk say now your own personal deliverance you want to do. The 2 people, you know, me wanna look the 2 people them. Me wanna look them face. See the woman, see the boy. The Timothy say na 38, the Comfort, this one na 44. Look the 2 of them, people where they hungry, now people where need deliverance, now they say me they can't do deliverance for now. I mean, more they shine we eye for this country, because I don't know where would they go. The country no clear. We they inside, say we they use our hand, they push ourselves for inside matter we no consign us. For real life, I say man carry tori come meet now. For now we like deliverance matter, we be say for now don't see my ancestors must wake up. When I don't carry everything we do in our house, when I don't run go there. If you don't see my Bet Naija tickets must pay, you don't they run go there. If you don't hear the stepmother that cost my great stepfather will be cost today, you don't they run. Deliverance now they run, they find deliverance up and down. More na suffering, they find deliverance. May no come be say you where they find deliverance, now you last. Now they will come to deliver other things. I know we'll talk past like this. Now yeah, I drop and put for real life hands today. I know say don't take what we see yourself, but we not forget, we not like, comment, share, and subscribe on top of our Ogbonge TV station. That's City Naija. I go still see you now with Ogbonge Tori where they come.